5 years after escaping from the U.S., Dominic Toretto and his new crew consisting of his girlfriend Letty Tego Rico Cara and Han are hijacking fuel tankers in the Dominican Republic. Dom suspects that the police are on their trail, forcing the crew to disband and go their separate ways, with Han deciding to go to Tokyo, realizing that he must leave. Dom runs, leaving Letty behind to protect herself from harm. 3 months later, Dom is now residing in Panama City. He gets a call from his sister Mia Toretto, who tells him that Letty has been murdered. Dom heads back to Los Angeles to attend her funeral and examine the crash and finds traces of nitromethane on the ground. He visits the only car mechanic that sells nitromethane in law and forces him into giving him the name David Park, the man who ordered the fuel, and informs him that the only car that uses nitromethane in the area is a green 1972 Ford Gran Torino Sport. Meanwhile, FBI agent Brian O'Connor is trying to track down a Mexican drug lord, Arturo Braga. His search leads him to David Park, and he tracks him down using an illegal modification record on his car. Dom arrives at Park's apartment first and hangs him out of the window by his ankles before Brian arrives. Brian saves Park and Park becomes the FBI's new informant. Park gets Brian into a street race. Brian selects a modified 2002 Nissan Skyline GT-R R34 from the impound lot. Dom races in his modified 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Chisel. Yashar, the liaison for Braga, reveals that the winner will become the last driver on a team that traffics heroin between the Mexico and United States border. Dom wins by bumping Brian's car while it is in nitro, making him lose control. Brian uses his power as an FBI agent to arrest another driver and takes his place on the team. The team meets up with Braga's personal henchman Phoenix, and Dom notices that Phoenix drives the same Torino the mechanic described. They drive across the border using tunnels to avoid detection. Dom confronts Phoenix and learns that he himself killed Letty when she tried to escape him. A standoff ensues, though not before Dom creates a diversion by loosening his car with nitrous, sparking a vehicle explosion that destroys his car and several others, including Brian's. In the ensuing chaos, Dom and Brian hijack a 1999 Hummer H1 with $60 million worth of heroin in it. Dom and Brian drive back to law and hide the heroin in a police impound lot, where Brian picks up a modified Subaru Impreza WRX STI hatchback. They subsequently drive back to Dom's house, where they reunite with Mia. Dom finds out Brian was the last person to have contact with Letty, which results in Dom attacking Brian until he explains that Letty was working undercover. She was tracking down Braga in exchange for clearing Dominic's record. Brian tells his superiors that in exchange for Dominic's pardon he will lure Braga into a trap, forcing him to show up to exchange money for the heroin at the drop site. The man who claims to be Braga is revealed as a decoy, and Campos, the real Braga, escapes with Phoenix, and the pair flee to Mexico. In the ensuing chaos, Phoenix nearly runs over Giselle before Dom saves her. Brian and Dom travel to Mexico to catch Braga with the help of Giselle, who gives them directions as a favor in return for Dom saving her life. Brian and Dom find him at a church and apprehend him as Braga's henchmen try to rescue him. Ryan and Dom drive through the tunnels back to the United States. Brian crashes his car after taking fire from Braga's men. He is then injured after being T-boned by Phoenix. Before Phoenix can kill Brian, Dom drives into Phoenix and kills him as police and helicopters approach the crash site on the American side of the border. Brian tells Dom to leave, but Dom refuses, saying he is not running anymore. Despite Brian's request for clemency, the judge sentences Dom to 25 years in prison. Brian resigns from the FBI, and Dom boards a bus that will transport him to prison. As the bus drives down the road, Brian, Mia, and the rest of the crew arrive in their cars to intercept it.